Hey guys, welcome back to the Winston family. I'm here with a challenge by the one and only MOORE EATZ. So she challenged me to do the melody challenge. And the melody challenge is that you have to sing a melody while you eat your food. It doesn't have to be seafood, but I do have here mussels. Yes, mussels. And some garlic and some butter and just some savoring juices. So I said I will do this challenge, so I'm here to do it. This is a crazy challenge, okay? I don't even know how to sing. I don't even know what to sing. I seen Auntie Maddie and Uncle David did it with some McDonald's, so I'm going to do it with mussels. That was just my thumbnail. Just ignore it. So here we go. I have my mussels here right now with me. Do you want some? Please take a bite. Delicious. They are mussels, not the green ones. Just some regular mussels. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's add some lemon to these mussels. MOORE EATZ, you are crazy for thinking of this challenge. But I'm glad I got me some seafood to do this challenge. So good, so good, so good. Do you guys eat that part? Let me know in the comments below. Do you guys like mussels like I do? Do you like them in red sauce? Or will you eat them with just wine and garlic? This is how I like one. I don't even know what I just said, but here goes a big one. In my mouth it goes. This is a crazy challenge. And I don't know who I'm going to challenge next, 'cause I don't know how to sing. And I hope I'm doing it right. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I got me some iced tea. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm off to 5,000 subscribers. Please, if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and enjoy the Winston family. We do reactions. We do challenges. We do family fun things, so please join the family. I don't like the way this mussel looks. I'm just gonna put that one aside. But off to the next one. In my mouth it goes. Got nice and juicy, but it's okay. I got my towel here to wipe the juice away. This is crazy. That actually rhymed. So I'm getting better at the melody. I hope you guys enjoy this. And if you don't know, MOORE EATZ and Agnes description, and I will leave their link in the description below. Thank you for coming to join me to eat these delicious mussels. And this one doesn't want to open, so maybe I shouldn't eat it. So here is another mussel. Would you like? Sorry about that. My battery had died, but I had to come back to finish this melody video with my family. My YouTube family. These mussels are amazing. I wish I had some more to share with everyone, 'cause there's not too many left. But this was a fun challenge that I said I would do. I hope you enjoyed this mussel mukbang with me. If somebody wants to do this challenge, just let everybody know that it was created by MOORE EATZ and Agnes. Be sure to support and do it the right way. This has a lot of garlic, but that's what makes it really tasty. I feel like such a fool singing to you guys, but it's okay. No, I don't want that one. Oh, I don't know how many more mussels I can share with you guys. There's so much juice. So much juice. It just tastes so good. I think I got one more to share with you. Well, guys, I'm going to stop singing now, because you're probably like, okay, we get it. We get it. We got the point. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. I don't have any more shrimp left. I don't have any more mussels left. But the juice is really good. Done. I did it. I did it, MOORE EATZ. I did it. Just for you, honey. Who do I want to challenge now? I'm going to challenge Nay and Trey. Please tag MOORE EATZ in it. Let her know you did the challenge. Sheila and Frank, if they haven't already did it. Yes, Rams Clan, you guys have been challenged. Gotta make it fun, guys. Gotta make it fun. Challenge on, challenge on, challenge the next person. This way, we continue to grow together, because that's the way you support. Try and think, all right, Trey, Nene, Sit and Mo. Who else? Blender Squad, you're silly. You can do this. Who else? Flood Family Skits. Yes. Get to singing. Let me think of one more, guys. One more. I'm mad they even have no more mussels left. But really, do you guys eat that part? Let me know in the comments below. I don't even know what that is. Trying to think of who really is true to my YouTube channel that I can say is going to watch this and say, hey, I was called out. I don't know, guys. I think I did 4. I did 4 people. So I added 4 on to MOORE EATZ challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed this mukbang. And if you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you on the next video, whether it be a reaction, a mukbang, a challenge. You'll see us in the next video. Thank you guys for watching. MOORE EATZ, done. Challenge over. Wait, hold on. Rissa mukbang. There you go, girl. You can sing and eat. Till next video, guys. Thanks for watching.